Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How are you doing here? So in this video I want to show you how to buy Wakanda Inu. So as you can see, it doesn't have a market cap yet, but it still has something. So let us get into it. So I'm going to look for a new things on coinmarketcap. So the first thing we are going to do is to check everything. As you can see, it's in order and this thing is moving. So I purchased it yesterday and it's about just 100% increase, but right now it has increased almost to over 300 plus. So the first thing to get started is to download your Binance app. Okay, so go into your app, like search for BNB, because you need to have a BNB. If you don't know how to buy a BNB, then you can check my video that I did on how to fund your Binance account before. So if this is your first time in my channel, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on the notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So the next thing we are going to do is to how we can buy this BNB, because we need it for fee. That is what we are going to use to purchase our BNB. As you can see, this is here is the P2P. You can just purchase it here. Okay, you deposit your BNB here, and then we are going to send it directly into our Binance, our Trust Wallet account. So the app I'm going to use now is called the Trust Wallet. So you can download this Trust Wallet from anywhere. Okay, so this is the smart chain BNB I'm talking about. Just copy the address and go and paste it somewhere there, and you get the access to this address. So I'm going to show you. Next thing I have to do is to copy our contract address, then go to our app, then normally if you are using an Android, you should have a D app here, like automatically you should have a D app here. So for us that's using an iPhone, we use something called the safe bar. So that is the safe bar we are using. So let me get access to my safe bar. So get access to my safe bar. Wait. Okay, yeah, we're already here. So we want to go to this thing that looked like for menu and search for pancake swap. So click on pancake swap. Let it load finish. So the next thing you want to do is to click on that currency. Select a currency. So comment. So a mistake. You need to change it to switch to the Binance chain. So I'm just going to go back and do it again. So what I want to do now is to go directly to our website, to their website. Since the contact address is not going, I just copy the stuff from their account. So before we proceed, let me show you how you can deposit at the moment. So here is it. Click on withdraw and copy the address from your Trust Wallet account, which is say BABE20, this Binance Smart Chain. So make sure you select BABE20. Like I repeat, select BABE20. So let us get back to what we are doing. Click on back. So this address that you are going to click on. So if you don't know how to do this, you can just contact me. And if you are a beginner in starting this cryptocurrency, because most of beginners want to do this. So I just copy the link directly and paste it into the browser directly. So something will pop up. I think it should pop up. This thing won't go yet. I need to go to their website and copy the link. That is, this thing won't go. Just let me try it again. So if you're watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on the notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. It won't go. Just go to the website and copy the link again. Let me close this one first. So, let me search for their website. But I've already bought for yesterday. So I'll scroll down below and click see on buy. Copy the buy word rather. I'm going to close this safe bar. I'm going to close it and then input it inside that browser. Take the link I copied. I'm going to paste it here. So as you can see, I select Binance Smart Chain. I click on confirm. Boom. So let us wait for a while. It tell us to swap this coin. So click on I understand and click on imports. So for now, I will just buy 0.009, which is almost like $5.6. That's what I'm going to buy. So the next thing you want to do is to set your slippage. So just set it to 1, like 1.0. That is what I've been using. When people say they're having problem. So I'll click on swap directly. So boom. After I verify this thing, I think she asked me for my ID because I put a lot of security on this. So just go to click on confirm. Oh, I'm just close. I'm going to close my video for now and then come back when it's done. Boom. So I've already verified it. They click on confirm. This verification done. Put my password. Done. So the next I'm going to do now is to check our Wakanda. Go to back to the Trust Wallet and check the Wakanda. So you can see smart executed in top below. This thing might not show up. Okay, it might not show up. So what I want you to do is to go to the coinmarketcap and copy the contract address again. So it does show up here. If I type Wakanda now, it show up, but it won't show. So click on add a custom address. It won't show right now. I'm going to click on add a custom address. So I'm going to change from the Ethereum into this Binance Smart Chain. So before we do that, let me go and copy this link. This contract address first. Yeah. Good. Just going to back and copy this. So if you're watching this for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on the notification bell. Make sure you don't miss another episode. So as you can see here, I'll paste it there, then add this token. As you can see, it display with immediate effect. So that is our own Wakanda Inu, like over 12 million Wakanda Inu. So let's just keep that there. So as you can see, if I refresh this now, it's to come up. So I'm going to go into that second app. It should be already added or not. So if it's not added, let us add it. So just go down. You need to go down and click on add. Search for Wakanda Inu. So click on let's go on that and search for Wakanda. It won't show up. Okay, that's it. Then click on plus. Boom. That's it. You just hit another thing. So if you're watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on the notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So here is the thing, and this is one of the hype coin right now. So I just decided to do one video on it. So don't forget to subscribe and get free course here.